Put away. To return something to its proper place. I put away my clothes in the closet. Please, after washing the dishes, put away them. Throw away. To discard. Don't throw away food. Don't throw away your pants. Wear out. To become tired. After running, I was worn out. I worked so hard today and I feel completely worn out. Drop off. To deliver something or someone to a place. The postman dropped off the package at my home. Dad, can you drop me off at the school? Try on. To wear something to see if it fits or looks nice. Try on my skirt, it looks amazing. Please try on the dress before you buy it. Run over. To hit with a vehicle. My friend was run over by a car and killed last year. 2 cats were run over by a car. Think over. To consider something carefully before making a decision. My friend think over it. You need some time to think over my proposal. Plug in. Able to be connected by means of a plug. Plug in your phone. Don't forget plug in the kettle to boil.